Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix we disabled your account for 180 days on Facebook. It's going to be a full recovery guide. So what I did was this. You go to Google, right? Any browser, you type in Facebook Help Center. I want you to scroll down. I don't want you to click on Help Center. What I want you to do, right here you'll see an option that says account recovery, okay? I want you to tap on that. And then I want you to go ahead and just scroll down once this loads up. And what we are going to do, we're just going to scroll down here, right? Ignore all of this until you see, was this helpful? What I want you to do is tap here on no. And then it'll ask what went wrong, okay? Just click on other and hit select. Now, here they'll ask you to say more, okay? Then what you do, you just come here and type in a message like this. Although I need to recover my Facebook account, was disabled for 180 days. Mistake by Facebook. I didn't do anything that goes against the community guidelines. And you give the information for your account. Make sure you give the exact email address that you're using for Facebook. Okay, if you still have access to that, provide your phone number and the name of the account, and then just hit submit. Okay, and it'll reach out back to you usually in 24 to 48 hours, and whether or not there's steps you can do to recover your account. Maybe they need some more information from you, or you just have to wait in that case. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.